Prokaryotic cells are single-celled organisms that lack a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. They are found in the domains bacteria and archaea. In this explanation, we will discuss the characteristics, structures, functions, and examples of prokaryotic cells in depth. Characteristics. Prokaryotic cells are small and simple in structure, typically ranging in size from 0.1 to 5 micrometers. They lack a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles, such as mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus. Their DNA is located in a single circular chromosome that is not surrounded by a membrane. They have a cell wall that provides support and protection. They reproduce asexually through binary fission. Structures. Cell wall. Prokaryotic cells have a cell wall made of peptidoglycan, a polymer of sugars and amino acids. This provides support and protection for the cell. Plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is a phospholipid bilayer that surrounds the cell and controls the movement of molecules in and out of the cell. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a gel-like substance that contains the cell's DNA, ribosomes, and other cellular machinery. Flagella. Some prokaryotic cells have flagella, which are long, whip-like appendages that enable the cell to move through its environment. Pili are short, hair-like projections that help prokaryotic cells attach to surfaces and exchange genetic material. Functions. Metabolism. Prokaryotic cells are capable of a wide range of metabolic processes, including photosynthesis, respiration, and fermentation. Some prokaryotic cells are autotrophic, meaning they can produce their own food, while others are heterotrophic and rely on other organisms for nutrition. Protection. The cell wall and other structures help protect the prokaryotic cell from damage by its environment or other organisms. Communication. Some prokaryotic cells are capable of communicating with one another through chemical signals, allowing them to coordinate their activities and respond to changes in their environment. Disease. Some prokaryotic cells are pathogenic and can cause diseases in humans and other organisms. Examples: Escherichia coli, or E. coli. E. coli is a type of bacteria that is commonly found in the intestines of humans and other animals. It is used extensively in genetic research and is also responsible for some cases of food poisoning. Cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are a group of photosynthetic prokaryotic cells that are responsible for producing a large portion of the Earth's oxygen. They are also used in some wastewater treatment plants to remove pollutants from water. Thermus aquaticus, or T. aquaticus. T. aquaticus is a type of thermophilic bacteria that lives in hot springs and other extreme environments. It is used in research for its heat-resistant enzymes, including Taq polymerase, which is widely used in the polymerase chain reaction, or PCR, technique for DNA amplification. Basically, prokaryotic cells are single-celled organisms that lack a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. They are small and simple in structure, with a cell wall, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and other structures such as flagella and pili. Prokaryotic cells have diverse metabolic capabilities, can communicate with one another, and can cause disease in some cases. Examples of prokaryotic cells include E. coli, cyanobacteria, and T. aquaticus.